Make a kidney-friendly spring salad with me. This salad is packed with some plant-based protein, healthy fats, and fruits and veggies. Start out with arugula. Arugula is a great low-potassium veggie. You could use spinach, romaine, or kale too. Next, add sliced apples. This is a great way to add more nutrients and fiber. To jazz things up a little bit, let's add some steamed asparagus to our salad, plus some nice crunchy radishes, which have such a nice flavor to them. If you don't like radishes or asparagus, try celery or carrots too. Instead of adding chicken or fish to our salad, we're going to add quinoa. Quinoa is a great source of plant-based protein for CKD. Cook your quinoa according to the package and then throw it on top of your salad. Next, we still need healthy fats, so let's add some nuts. I love these little pre-portioned packets, but you can also add whatever nuts you like. I recommend walnuts because they have omega-3 fatty acids in them. As far as dressings go, you can make your own. I have a recipe in the caption, or you can buy one. This Panera dressing only has 50 milligrams of sodium, and this fig balsamic dressing only has 40 milligrams of sodium. What do you think? Let me know.